Excuse me, sir, would you happen to know the time?
Yeah, bitch. It's time to trap.
Standing on the corner.